Today we are here to present about our malware analysis subject, problem-based task 2, which is perform malware analysis using samples. My group members are me, myself, Varshini Jayarajan, and Nagasubhashni Sambasivan and Jivitra Nagalingam. The question given in our problem-based task 2 is in the scenario form. So the scenario is computer forensic investigator in CTAX company generally investigates the data which could be taken from computer hard disk or any other storage devices with adherence to standard policies and procedures to determine if those devices have been compromised by unauthorized access or not. Computer forensic investigator work as a team to investigate the incident and conduct the forensic analysis by using various methodologies, for example, such as static and dynamic, and tools, examples, virus total or Wireshark, to ensure the computer network system is secure and organization. They have found one suspicious file named network.pcap in their system. The teams are used malware analysis process by using dynamic or static analysis. In this analysis, it allows you to identify whether the file is recognized content malicious or not. First of all, let's take a look at the analysis overview. The internet has become an indispensable part of our life as it connects us to the entire world virtually, but it opens the path for various people with malevolent intent who strive to attack and harm legitimate users in different ways for various reasons. Most of the time, the reason is money. A point to be noted in this respect is the use of malevolent software which is installed in the computer without the consciousness of its owner. This software can steal confidential data and also allow remote access, which may cause the denial of service DNS in the system. To protect legalized users from various threats, security vendors such as antivirus software provide detection and analysis procedures. Various online tools can dynamically analyze the malware and detect it. The tools use cloud computing, hence, they are more efficient and safer. The main idea of this study is to identify various online malware analysis tools and compare them based on their analysis. We use several tools to record its activity. This is known as static or dynamic analysis. Some tools help us perform how to analyze the malware in the network environment. The good news is that all the malware analysis tools we use are completely free and open source. Below are the tools that we used. First is PE Studio, Virus Total, and Microsoft Network Monitor, and the last is Wireshark. This is the sample malware file tested by our team using different type of tools. The first tool we use to malware analysis is PE Studio. So first of all, let's look what is PE Studio. PE Studio is a free tool that allows you to perform an initial assessment of a malware without even infecting a system or studying its code. PE Studio works on any Windows machine without installation. Its footprint is zero, it makes no modification to the system. Since the tool never starts the executable being analyzed, one does not even need a sandbox to analyze malware. There is essentially no risk of infection. Next on the menu, we have the indicators window. PE Studio has a list of indicators it uses to identify whether a file is worthy of suspicion beyond simply doing a virus total lookup. This indicators page summarizes the indicators found further down in the menu tree. After the analysis is complete, we are presented with a window that has some basic descriptive attributes of the file. It gives us the MD5 and SHA1 hashes of the file. This is interesting because similar pieces of malware will have the same imports but may have different attributes which cause the MD5 and SHA hashes to change. Strings. Strings is a great source for writing YARA rules. Not that we are going to get into that now. Any string of bytes which can be read as ASCII characters is passed and placed in this table. Most of them are going to be code which when encoded into ASCII spell gibberish. The second tool we used is Virus Total. So what is Virus Total? Virus Total is a web anna tool created by the Spanish security company called Hispanic Systems, despite its majority use in the US and Canada. On the one hand, it has an updated database and with 55 antivirus engines, and 70 detection engines. This tool is also available in application format for mobile phones, both Android and iOS, through the Mac executable. To know if we have any malware installed or suspect any file, all we have to do is upload that file from the search bar, and in a matter of seconds, we will know if that file is safe or not. That's easy and free. The platform servers collect the information of the content uploaded with the archived data. Even so, it recommends making several attempts. If you suspect a file, the latest virus signatures may detect something new. The web also analyzes URLs suspected of being spyware or windows for misuse. The virus total window is simply a summary of the virus total lookup. It lists all the antivirus products the sample was tested against. If you click on Lookup Online as shown in the previous picture above, it will redirect us to the virustotal.com page. The picture above shows us the interface of virustotal.com and the results of the target file that has been analyzed. They are Detection tab, Details tab, Relations tab, and Community tab. Now we are looking at the Detection tab where it detects only two alerts. Here we can see the details of the target file that has been analyzed. We can go through the basic properties, history of the target file, names, and pick up network trace info. Picture shows us the relations of the target file. In here, we can see contacted domains, contacted IP addresses, PE resource parents, and graph summary. Next, my group member Naga Subhashini will continue on.
Thank you, Varshni Jagarajan. Now is tool 3. The tool 3 that we used is Microsoft Network Monitor. What is Microsoft Network Monitor? Microsoft Network Monitor is a deprecated packet analyzer. It enables capturing, viewing, and analyzing network data and deciphering network protocols. It can be used to troubleshoot network problems and application on the network. Microsoft Network Monitor, codenamed Bloodhood, was originally designed and developed by Raymond Patch, a transport protocol and network adapter device driver engineer on the Microsoft LAN Manager development team. After analysis is complete, we are presented with a window that has some basic descriptive attributes of the file. Here you can see network conversations, display filters, frame summary, details, hex details, and etc. Figure on left, we are showing all the traffics. This is for IPv4 192.168.1.3 to 192.168.1.1. Config ID is equals 1. This is for IPv4 192.168.1.3 till 192.168.1.2. Config ID is equals 8. Here, we choose frame number 38. The time for frame number 38 is 9:47 a.m. The date is 14 January 2005. Time offset is 30.8054010. Source is 192.168.1.2. Destination is 192.168.1.3. Protocol name is TCP. Description is TCP flex equals AR, SRC port equals DNS 53, DST port 1396, payload LAN is equals 1, SEQ is equals to 3171890433, ACK is equals to 600126409, and win equals to 0, scale factor 0 times 0 equals 0. Frame details. Frame details for frame number 38 are displayed. Frame number is equals 38. Captured frame length is 54. Media type is Ethernet. Ethernet is E-type. E-type equals Internet IP, IPv4. Destination address is 000E3578 0C02. Source address is 008048243332. In IPv4, SRC equals 192.168.1.2. Destinations is 192.168.1.3. Next protocol equals to TCP. Packet ID equals 2000. Total IP length equals 40. TCP flex equals AR. SRC port equals DNS 53. DST port equals 1396. Payload length equals 0. And SEQ equals 3171890433. ACK equals to 600126409. Win equals 0. Scale factor 0 times 0 equals 0. Hex details. This is hex details. Hex details for frame number 38 is displayed. Now, my group member Jivitra Nagalingam will continue on.
Tool 4, we select Wireshark. What is Wireshark? Wireshark is an open source network protocol analysis software program started by Grand Corps in 1998. A global organization of network specialists and software development support, Wireshark and continue to make updates for new network technology and encryption methods. Wireshark is absolutely safe to use. Government agency, corporation, non-profit and educational institution use Wireshark for troubleshooting and teaching purpose. There is not a better way to learn networking than to look at the traffic under the Wireshark microscope. To start Wireshark and begin capturing data, after the Wireshark start, double-click on the selected interface from the interface list. This is the interface list. I select the Wi-Fi interface as my desired interface because the interface has network traffic higher compared to other interfaces. Start the capture. Click on the start capturing packet, then the Wireshark will capture the network traffic from Wi-Fi interface. Here is the final result of the packet capture of the sample file network picket. As we can see, the source, destination, type of protocol analyzed, and additional info regarding the each captured are traced. If we scroll down the analysis result, we can look for more information about the packet capture of the sample file network picket. I select the packet frame 38 to answer the question given. I selected this frame because the info analyzed by Wireshark is data that means Wireshark doesn't recognize the application that's running over TCP. So it just drops us a data. The first question is displayed the date and time of the malware activity. When I click on the packet frame 38, under the frame section, we can see that the arrival time of the sample file network pickup is on 14 January 2005 at 9:50 am in 47 seconds. The second question given is display the MAC address of the DNS server host. As we can see and figure below, sample file network pickup is Ethernet interface encapsulation. Under the destination section, we can see that the MAC address of the DNS server host is 00.0e.35.78.0c.02. The last question is display the port that has been opened at the server host is 192.168.12. As the result, the analysis sample file network pickup frame packet 38 is the source server host of 192.168.12 to the destination server host of 192.168.1.3 at port number 53, and it is a TCP layer protocol. Question and answer section. First question, display the date and time of the malware activity. So on 6 June 2021, 10:47, the answer appears for the network picket file in the virus total tool. 7 June 2021 at 2:26 p.m., the answer is from PE Studio tool. 14 January 2005 at 9:47 a.m., the answer is from Microsoft Network Monitor tool. 14 January 2005, 9:50 and 47 second a.m. is answer from Wireshark tool. As we can see, the answer from Microsoft Network Monitor tool and the Wireshark tool was same. So we can know that the network pickup files arrival date time is on 14 January 2005 at 9:50 a.m. in 47 seconds. The second question, display the MAC address of the DNS server host. MAC address of the DNS server host frame packet 38 of Microsoft Network Monitor and Wireshark is 00.0e.35.78.0c.02. So we can see that the MAC address of the DNS server host frame for packet 35 in Microsoft Network Monitor and Wireshark is the same. The third question is, display the port has been opened at the server host 192.168.12. As we can see, the source server host frame packet 38 for the Microsoft Network Monitor and the Wireshark is 192.168.12 to the destination server host to 192.168.13 at port 53, and it is a TCP layer protocol. Conclusion. Malware analysis is the utmost important since it helps understand malware infection and also stop malware from spreading into other systems, files, directories, and etc. Malware analysis, static as well as dynamic, help understand malware and their functioning. It is a better way and also help us to prevent further attacks in a very effective manner. So, I think this is the tool that our team has recommended to the company to solve the problem. That's all from us. Thank you.